Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to remove a background from a photo in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So to start with, it's important to note that background removal is a pro Canva feature. So if you haven't signed up for Pro yet, I definitely recommend it. It's really affordable. You just do so many cool things with it. Anyway, so let's get started. So we're going to open a new project and find a photo we want to remove the background from. So I'm just going to click on create and I'm just going to type in blog banner. So there, we're going to find a photo. So I'm going to go to my uploads and see what photos I've got there. Of course, you can upload your own photos if there's something you want to remove the background from. So I'm just going to have a look through these, and I've got a few photos here. So I'm going to add that one to my page. I'm going to make it as big as the page. And then it's really simple. If you want to remove the background from a photo, all you have to do is click onto the image and then click on background remover. And you can see it removes instantly. It's as easy as that. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.